Auto insurance. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a short review about the auto insurance company that will give you insurance on full service insurance provider that offers extensive insurance policies to customer of several states. The company was founded to provide affordable high quality insurance policies to the customer of all background. Auto is an insurance company itself but a lead generation site that connects consumer with insurance agencies and carrier. So the website surface looks like so professional, as you can see the website homepage, and here you can get a number and location. These both two are the main things that you will look in any company that you find it legit. They have a number and a confirm address. You can get multiple quotes at once, easy and free to use, and offers quotes for car, home, and life. This is not an insurance company, not much information is available on the other side. Cannot choose companies from which you want quotes or does not stay quiet, they share your information. You can save up to $500 plus. Services in about 50 states and 10 million satisfied customers. As they say, the number that is very large and is impressive. Here you can see the insurance product and service. You can get liability coverage, collision and comprehensive coverage, personal injury protection, or uninsured motorist, medical expense, guaranteed auto protection or protection, rental reimbursement, and roadside assistance and towing. So for me, you can surely trust on this. Thank you so much for watching this video.